Let's see, make a turn here. Oh man, this is crazy. You can't see like more than, and there's a down power line. That is awesome. Flashing blinkers on. As you know what's behind me. I probably could drive under it, but I ain't gonna freaking risk that. Screw that, man! Backing up slowly. I ran something over. Hopefully it wasn't a puppy dog. Oh boy. Stopping at the stop sign. Hoping I don't get hit. Because this place sucks, my friend, and I'm getting stuck. Hey, there's a small little tree down right there. These power lines, you can't really see them. There he is. See how low that is? You shouldn't be seeing those like that. I don't know if you can see these other ones or not. Yeah, there we go. As we get closer, you can see them. Yeah, they shouldn't be that low. There we go. Next street. Will this be my lucky number? I'm turning and I'm sliding, not really, and totally am now, and hitting the gas, and there I go. Oh, so far so good. There's a tree down ahead. Exciting, exciting. Not really. It's actually quite boring to me. See that tree there? There we go. I'm an idiot driving with a cell phone in his hand. La 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 la. Yeah, I'm a horrible singer, Neil, but here's hoping I can get up the street. I'm gonna probably have to put down the phone in a minute because I will have to turn, and the truck that was ahead of me is backing up. That is not a good sign. So I may not be able to turn up the street, that means. That or he just wiped out, I'm not sure. What is he doing? Is he going straight? Is he taking a right? Is he going left? What is he doing? Come on, dude. Make up your mind. You're taking up the whole intersection. That's a guy like four-wheel drive right there. Back up, back up. I have a truck. I don't know how to use it. Here we go, here we go. Up the hill we go. I'm going to try to get in behind him. And hopefully he won't hit the brakes like an idiot. I'll wait for him to get up though. Oh, this is going to be fun. He's getting stuck going up the hill. We're down power lines. Down the hill again. Don't want to go down, but this guy's getting stuck because he's an idiot for driving. Hey, another down tree. I may just head over to my dad's because it's all flat ground to get there. Down tree. Just to mind you, this is only a couple days before Halloween in Torrington, and there is no power. Normally you'd see lights light up right now. Totally creepy, to tell you the truth. I think the zombie apocalypse is coming. Oh wait, we don't have to worry about that, because if it is, they're going to freeze to death. Woohoo for winter! The bane of the zombie apocalypse. And I'm driving. As you can see, my flashers are on in case anyone's going to be all like, oh my god, blah blah blah. Well, my flashers are on, people. I know, I'm still out driving the snowstorm. I was out in it when it happened. Instead of running around driving like an idiot early, and I'm turning on my blinker for some reason. I really don't know why. Alright. Here we go. Putting you down in my mouth. And there is a down tree. No. Yes. No. Oh, come on, Vivi. Come on, Mercedes. Yeah, you like it when I call you that. Yeah! Down tree, see? Come on, Mercedes. Yeah, Vivi. Yeah, come on. Come on. Oh, no, don't do this to me, Vivi. Come on. Now I'm the idiot who can't drive in the snow. Come on, baby.